Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. It's Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and we have a wonderful team here in Minnesota and Wisconsin, and I wanted to take a little time to highlight each organizer that we have in their favorite area. The first organizer I want to highlight this week is Olivia, and her favorite area to organize is the craft room. So her best tip for craft room organization is to make sure everything has a home, but you can see it. A lot of times this is as simple as utilizing acrylic containers with very specific labels and many small containers to hold all your craft items. The best thing you can do is keep your craft table clear so you can continue working on your projects or start a new project and be able to see where everything is. So join us next week. We're going to talk about another organizer's favorite area.